Hi guys, welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you that are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to harvest my sweet potatoes. It has been 120 days, so I am going to see what is in there. I have two, but I think I'm going to let one stay because I think I planted one a week later than the other one. So if you're interested in seeing my sweet potato harvest, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I'm about to go over there. My finger. Okay, I'm about to go right there and get those sweet potatoes, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to cut the leaves off of them so you can see where I planted the slips. And I'm going to take out because I'm going to save it. So I'm going to put that in here. Get started. Easier. Some potatoes. See more. I got one. Y'all see that? Turn out the camera. Still rolling. Got 4 minutes in. Alrighty. So let's see what we got, y'all. Earbud fell out and my lawn got caught this bucket. So a bunch. Look at there, y'all. I'm so excited because last year my harvest was not good. So look at this. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Look. Oh, goodness gracious. I hope there's more in there and there's just not on the outside. We got little ones. Like I told you guys last year, I used these little ones to make my starts. Let me move my earbud because it has already got dirt all over it. So let me move it away. But the root's still good. It went all the way to the bottom. And I do not know what kind of sweet potatoes these are. My friend gave me a few slips last year. And I just saved the potatoes from last year and remade slips for this year. Oh, please don't tell me I just got one big one. And that's it. That'll be disappointing. I may not be thankful for whatever God gave me. These were the sizes I got last year. Oh, here we go. Got some big ones. See them? Be good. Try not to break any of them. And just get them over here. I'm so excited. I really am. And I got one more bucket, but we're going to let this stay. It ain't ready yet. I think it got another week, maybe 2 to frost it. Next week, it says 37, so that ain't frost. So I'm going to let them go until I see that it's going to frost. Then I get those. But we have them for us. Thank them with the root wrapped around the potato. These some good sized potatoes. I don't know the brand of them. Anybody know? Comment below and let me know. Because they were gifted to me last year. And I just reused them, and I was like, I'm not buying those slips. I watched enough videos to see you don't have to buy seeds or anything else after the first harvest. You just be smart and use what you got. So that's what I do. I did buy some seeds this year of stuff I didn't have. Those roots look good. Look how pretty and white they are. Well, they're kind of yellowish, but and the soil, it's not too terribly dry. But I'm trying to get these roots out of here because, of course, I'm going to put this dirt in my raised bed. And I got some more onions to plant. And I'm going to plant onions. I might put them back in that bucket and put onions in there. But I've been planting onions and garlic. And I got greens. Y'all can check my last garden tour and see that. That might be all, y'all. Oh, no, it's not. Still have more. Not the biggest, but it's food. Yes, yes, yes. Praise God, whatever it is. Uh-oh, that fell the nail. Alright. That is it. Let's stack them right here. Everything I got. Not a whole lot of real big ones, but better than last year. Might could have let them go another week. Oh, that one broke and fell. Doggone it. It's okay though. Alright. From that to this. So thankful. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.